What's up, guys? Hello, Atlas. I just got home, so he's being super needy right now. But I just got home, it's Friday, and I got goodies in the mail. So I wanted to do a short haul video for you guys. So stay tuned. Say bye. I'll see you later. All right, so first things first, I got this washi. I think it's super pretty. It is all botanical themed. Super pretty. I got a lot of gold. Oh geez. I didn't read the description. I didn't realize how big these things were. All of a sudden, I have no use for these. I guess I'll find use for it, but these are freakishly big. I thought they were like little, you know, itty bitty cute things, but no, they're pretty big. I still like them though. So yeah, I got all of these. Okay, clear my thing. I got these vintage labels. I need to make sure I'm putting it in the camera. Ooh, so exciting. Oh. Okay. Wow, look at these. They are so nice. Gosh, I can't wait to use this in my journal. I'm sorry if I'm speaking a lot louder than normal. I woke up this morning and I feel like my eardrums are just clogged or something. I don't know. I feel like I can't hear. So if I'm talking louder, it's because I can't hear myself talk. I should probably message my doctor. But yeah, these are really neat. I'm probably going to use them also to write out addresses for my mails. Yeah, really excited about that. Let's see. This is vintage stickers. Let's see what these are. Oh yeah, these are just little tiny stickers that I thought were kind of cute. Yeah, I like them. I like this one the most. It's because of this one that I got it. I got something similar in my snail mail and I was like, where did you get it? I must have it. So yeah, these are pretty. Very exciting. I also really like these little boxes they came in. They're like freaking adorable. Look at that. And that one's upside down, isn't it? Look at that. Okay, one more. This is also vintage. It says retro labels though. Let's see. So it's pretty much the same thing, just different types of, you know, pictures and some. I mean, I still like them. They're really cute. It's just about the same thing, so I'm not like, oh my god. But yeah, these look really cute too. I'm definitely going to use these on mails too. I can see it, like that one. So excited to use all of these. Ah, okay. Get in the box. Okay. So yeah, the boxes. And then I don't know, I can't remember what this is, to be honest with you. Oh, okay, so these came in a cute little bag thing. It's just like clear vellum paper. I don't know, I just thought it was cool. It's just little tiny tickets, and you know, these are a lot bigger than I thought they would be, so I honestly don't know what I'm going to use them for because they're so big, but I'm probably just going to, I don't know, use them as background in my journal. Yep, that's what I'm going to do. So, yeah, that was my haul. It was short. It wasn't that much, but that's mostly because I've been spending way too much on stationery and I need to limit myself. Hashtag gotta pay back student debt. Okay, I'm loud and obnoxious. Bye, guys.